The plastic knob broke off of my Honeywell water heater thermostat. How can I fix it least expensive?
Is your Honeywell water heater gas or electric? How old is it?
It's gas. Not exactly sure how old it is.
How long has this been going on with your Honeywell water heater? What have you tried so far?
I just noticed today that there was no hot water.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
When I checked it is when I seen the plastic knob on the floor with the spring behind it dangling. I haven't tried anything yet.
Hello, welcome to Just Answer. My name's will be happy to help you with this today. In my 20 plus years of plumbing, I never just seen a replacement knob, but that's from my suppliers. Maybe you can order one directly from the manufacturer. You might have to replace the gas valve, but I don't think that by the spring and knob falling off would stop the heater from working. If it's under 6 years old, it might still be under warranty as well, so I would call the manufacturer and try to get them to warranty the whole gas valve.
Okay, thank you. Yup, it's not working then. I will call Rheem then, but I was thinking that I would need to call Honeywell, the manufacturer of the thermostat.
Honeywell makes the thermostat, but all warranty and replacements need to be done when manufacturer, so they can go off the model number and serial number to make sure they send you the correct replacement.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.